The editor tools make it easy and effective to author in Buzz. In the editor, it is divided into 6 tabs. Use the syllabus to structure your course, author content, and align it with objectives and badges. Use projects to build robust student-guided projects for project-based learning. Use weights to define and manage grade weights for activities and categories. Use the activity list to review your course structure and preview activities. Use scheduling to review your calendar, create and adjust due dates, and plan your course. Use groups to manage existing groups. You will learn about each one of these tabs in the remainder of the course.